Alright, I'm gonna be completely honest. Not feeling it today. I need something to juice me up. See if we can find something. There he is. Hey, how are you? Yeah, me too. What you got?
Not much.
Not much?
One piece of copper and 4 little pieces of brass.
Well, at least you got something, you know?
But thank you.
Starting to think there's no rules. Is that it?
Did you miss anything?
These?
Are you going to stand on the street corner doing that?
Probably do better.
I was just going to say that.
We must hurry. At once. Ooh. Bronson. Oh. Green hinges. My God. It's got the look. You got the itch, huh?
Did I see this on your video yesterday, or did I dream? Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
I saw that. I went to the retail yesterday.
That's probably where it was.
Yeah, there was like nothing in the retail.
It's
like,
awful. They're not even worth going into
that's
anymore.
What I mean, there's nothing here. Hell,
there's nothing anywhere.
Yeah. I always see
I know.
What is that? Oh. Yo, that Space Jam clock is pretty cool.
I see you never have to buy a toothbrush again.
Is that what? Bamboo toothbrush.
That'd be good for cleaning.
Yeah. They're light.
Grab a couple of
Yeah, he's still here. He's sleeping.
Have I missed anything?
You missed it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, you slept it all away. I got some Sharpies in my bag if you're interested.
Some what?
Sharpies.
What's that?
Markers.
Oh, marker.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sharpies. Whoa.
I think that's cotton. Let me see. It's not magnetic.
No.
Let's see. It's soft. Yeah, it's copper.
Dang. That you can go home now then. That's the big piece.
I'm already home.
Are you?
This is my home.
This is it.
Yeah, my wife kicks me out. Says, get your ass out. I don't want to see you till 4 o'clock.
No, she doesn't.
These look like fun. You know, you find a good sled nail.
Yeah, Amy was talking about those. They look like a death trap to me. What's this? Mini brats. Look at that. Hey, let's go. Oh my God. That actually scared me. It wasn't playing any music. I got every color.
You need to check them.
I think they're good. I checked one,
Yeah,
so.
I'll check them. I gotta get a piece of paper first. I don't know where I can find it. I have to go out with my car.
Yeah, yeah. You won't find it here. There it is.
Oh, thank you.
It's chicken.
There it is.
That's got everything.
Any Rock Band dongles?
Yeah, I doubt there's bows.
Absolute nothing.
Look,
Yeah.
Snap-on.
Snap-on, that's interesting.
What do you think that's worth? $2? No light bulb. I just threw this back.
I'm gonna go ahead and leave.
Yeah, call it a early day here. 11:30. Sounds good to me. I'm out of here.
All right, buddy. See ya.
See you guys.
Have a good day.
You too, man. Should I get this? Maybe I'll take a chance on that. All right, y'all, we end up spending $7.46 in there today. Overall, a decent day, mostly because of the vintage Play School plush. That thing looks like it has pretty good value. And I got some other little things too that are like, you know, 15, 20 bucks. So overall, started out kind of grumpy, but I'm glad I went in today. It was a pretty good day. But that's all I got for you guys today. So until tomorrow, take care and keep the thrift alive.